Hey, gun people. I did some rappelling on some rappel knots and different things, so I wanted to show you how it's good to know some of these things and how they can be functional if you're not rappelling. So I've got a pretty steep roof, and a couple of my shingles blew off over here in Texas with all these winds and stuff. So I'm trying to get up there, and I can't even run up this roof because it's semi-parallel here. I can walk here, but up here it gets very, very steep, and my feet just keep slipping. I can't stay on there without sliding. So what I did is I got my rappel rope out, threw it over the roof to the other side. Of course, I didn't make it, so what I had to do is rig up a quick little grappling hook. So I pulled one of these little hooks you can buy at the feed store to hang things on, tied a rope to it, and threw that on the rope. It worked as a good grappling hook. Pulled the rope. So I anchored my rope on the other side of the roof here. And then on this side, what I did, I just tied a little square knot with a little, it's hard to see out here if I'm on camera. Yeah, so I got a little square knot, just basically went around my waist like as a safety loop. Then I hooked in with a locking D-ring, and the reason I used a locking D-ring is because when I'm laying down or sliding, the odds of this getting clipped versus if I'm hanging is greater. So I wanted a locking D-ring so it couldn't accidentally open up. So if I unscrew this, now it's not a locking D-ring. If I fail or something like this, this could accidentally fall out, and I don't want that since I'm on this roof by myself out here in the middle of nowhere. So what I'm going to do is lock this back up. Horses are out there like, what's Dad doing? So I hooked into my waist safety line, and then what I did here is I went over a Prusuit knot in a couple of other videos. And basically this is what this is a Prusuit knot. So when I lean on this knot, once I get my rope tight, move this up here. Sorry, I'm on a slanted roof, so I can't. So as I lean on this rope, you can tell this Prusuit knot locks me up. So if I fall, this Prusuit knot is going to lock me up. But then when I want to go forward, if I take the tension off and I hold this rope, now I can just slide this up. And that's what I'll do to get up this rope here. Well, this little camera ain't being too cooperative. So my Prusuit's knot here, as I slide this, it'll go up the rope, but it won't come down as I lock. So if I fall, this is going to stop me. So basically that's how you use a Prusuit knot on a straight line that I've got anchored on the other side. I've got my locking D-ring into a little waist loop here, a rope around my waist. So now I'm going to be able to use this rope to climb, and as I'm climbing I'll keep sliding this Prusuit knot up, and that'll help me in case I slip or fall while I'm up there messing with those shingles. And I was going to do some caulking because I got a little water in the house from all this rain. I don't know if it's from the 60-mile-an-hour winds. Damn lightning blew out my transformer. They replaced it, but anyway, let me get to my roof repairs. I just want to make a quick video on how to use these knots to where they're functional and they come in handy for other than just rappelling. All right, we'll end that there.